What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, guys. It's been like a week. Been working, and it's been raining again, over and over and over. But we got something from the auction, guys. So we're gonna go pick it up right now. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is yet, but it should get another project running, hopefully. So yeah, guys. I'm got the trailer hooked up. Hopefully, I got everything I need. So we got to make a trip down to Fort Worth and get us a donor vehicle. So let's go, guys. All right, guys. Hopefully, you can hear me. But well, after 2 hours, she is on there. The door won't exactly open, but let me give you a sneak peek. And she did run and drive. She drove onto the trailer, even with the blown out wheel. So I've been here a while, guys. So let's go. Alright, guys, and we are home. Made it all the way back to Dallas. And like I said, can't open that one. But what I am going to try to do right now is try to cut the latch somewhere here. And that way I can give you guys a little sneak peek of the motor. Or I'll probably get some lunch first. I don't know. But let me see if I can show you guys the inside. And doesn't look too bad. I mean, the dash, they're always going to be cracked and broken. But look at those door panels, guys. They look pretty good. Looks like the headliner was redone too at some point. And it did have like a door handle in the back. So I think they were trying to fix it up. And I did find a little bit of rust, which, I mean, I don't really care. Truck's not gonna be fixed. But, you know, just a little quick walk around, guys. And I did have to drive it on the bare wheel for a little bit. So, yeah. But, oh, and these are kind of odd too. I know they're aftermarket though. They never came in the SS. But yeah, guys. I mean, motor sounds pretty good. So I think I'm gonna just get me some lunch and then come back at it. Well, come back to it. So let me go get some lunch, guys, and I'll get her opened up for you. All right, guys. We are in the fish bowl, and look at this. Yep. No more power window for me. This would have never happened with the manual windows, but whatever. So let's go get something to eat, guys. I'm gonna Whataburger and get me a little burger. So let's go, guys. All right, guys. So we are back home. I already finished my burger. Had to do it kind of quick because I had a guy come and make the key for the Tahoe, and it died. So I'm jumping in with the OBS. So now I gotta wait for it to give it a little bit of charge and see if the motor will turn on. So yeah, just waiting here. I'm almost done with my Dr. Pepper, so fun times. You know, everybody kept asking me for the motor, so I had to make the key since I didn't have one. But you know, we'll know in a couple minutes if it works or not. So let's wait. All right, guys. So it did run. Sounds good. No knocks or anything. It is high mileage. I think it has like 180 ish, 180 something. And I did leave it running, but then it started throwing up. So I didn't want it to overheat, so I shut it off. Does run good. Could have been a decent swap for the white truck, but I didn't want to go through all the trouble of figuring out anything because this is a Gen 4 and it does have the DoD AFM stuff, so I didn't really want to deal with that. So what I'm gonna do now is leave that alone, and I think I'm gonna get the regulator situation fixed because I can't go through the drive-throughs. So this is from the blue truck. Thank God it had it. But now we got to take everything off again, pull the panel, and yeah, everything has to come off again. So guys, let me get my impact and let's get this thing off. All right, so got it off, guys. I didn't record much of it because y'all have seen me do this a bunch of times, and this time I actually kind of marked the ones that well, the holes that I use for the regulator. So hopefully I don't have any issues this time with this one. So now gotta take this one out and get that one in, and I gotta move it because that bolt is kind of stuck in there. So yeah, guys, let me go ahead and do that. Well, there she is. Got a working window again, and that did not help again. I kept putting the holes on the wrong, well, in the wrong spot, and the window kind of fell again. So I had to take it apart and do that again. But got it all done. I can go through the drive-throughs now. So, ooh, hey, whatever, should be good as long as I don't go all the way up like that. So, well, got all the bolts tightened up, nuts tightened up, windows work. Let's see what else I need to do. Just put the panel back and should be good to go. All right, guys, there we go. We got a working window again. One of the many more things it needs. And I've actually been taking it to work, and so far hasn't let me down. I, it's kind of making a grinding noise when I start it. I think it's the starter starting to fail, so maybe it'll need one of those soon. But for now, I'm gonna keep on running it, guys. It's been saving me a lot of gas. And actually, yesterday he brought me the trailer from Greenville all the way to Dallas. So yeah, it's a little workhorse, and so far it's been good, guys. But there we go. Got a working window. Now I'm just gonna wait for my wife, and we're gonna take this one over to Greenville and drop her off. Hopefully, get it opened up. I think I'm gonna open it up right now so I can show you guys. Um, I think I might need to cut a few things, but you know, I'll get to it. So let me go ahead and put all this back over on my toolbox, and we can get started on cutting the hood off that one. All right, guys, there we go. Got it opened up, and well, looks battery's good. Well, obviously, I mean it started. Uh, Motor doesn't look like it was hit. Just the fan shroud broke and hit the pulley right here. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Looks like a regular 5.7. Yeah, doesn't look too bad, just really dusty. So, get that out the way. Oh, well, it's gonna hit. But let me go ahead and start it up, guys. Hopefully, that door doesn't slam on me again. Uh, let's see. And give you a better look of the interior. Look at that. And like I said, dash always broken, guys. But watch this. Like us Mexicans say, al llavazo. So yeah, I'm I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I mean, my dad bought it, but like I said, I'm the one that's gonna do all the work. Let's put this back. But yeah, guys, I mean, I guess sometimes risking it does pay off. And look at those door panels. They look pretty good. And starting to hit. A bunch of coupons. I'm not gonna show that. And oh no way! Look at that! Look at that, guys! We got the window sticker. Hold on, guys. Let me. Oh, that's freaking cool! Look at that. That's how much it costs brand new. Look at that, guys. 5.7, 4-speed. Dang. Dang, that's pretty cool, guys. Man, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just give this to my dad. But there we go. Yo, that's really cool. And here's the rest of the manual stuff. But yeah, there's not much in here. Let's put all this back. And it does have, I don't know if I can see it, but it says 220, 229. I think 229. I don't know, I can't see it. But yeah, guys, look at that. Good oil pressure. Still not hot, which I'm not gonna let it get hot because I don't want it to overheat, obviously. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty happy with it. So, I mean, I'm just keeping the motor and trans, and the rest will be getting parted out because I need to make some of the money back because we overpaid for it a lot. But you know, you win some, you lose some, guys, and on this one, we won. So yeah, guys, there she is, little sneak peek. I'll see if maybe when I get it to Greenville, I can put a tire on it and we can drive it. Which I don't know if we can because the tire is hitting right here. But yeah, guys, she's a runner. So again, I'm still waiting for my wife. She should be home in a few minutes. All right, guys. So ya llegó la patrona. So let's go take this trip to Greenville. All right, guys. Pues ahí nomás quedó la troquita. It did get stuck when I put it down, but I had a spare from another truck and I just threw it on there, and it actually drove all the way over here. So that was good. And let me show you the interior real quick. You can't even see it. Let me see if the flash will do anything. All right. Yeah, didn't do much, but still not too bad. Panels look pretty good, so I'll make some money back on those. But there we go, guys. Now, just a matter of time, because that one's ready. So maybe in a week or so, we can get started on this one, trying to take the motor out. But for now, guys, that's going to be it. I appreciate y'all watching, guys. Remember, like, subscribe. We're getting up there, guys. So, man, thank y'all so much. But again, got to keep working. And, man, sometimes I can't get to the videos how I want to. But it is what it is. But hopefully, I don't take as long now because I got more stuff to do. So, yeah, guys, got to keep at it. So, again, thank y'all guys for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace.